Introducing the 2024 Volvo Xc90 T8 Ultimate Recharge AWD in stunning silver. This luxury estate vehicle is equipped with a powerful 2-litre petrol plug-in hybrid electric engine, perfect for those looking for both performance and efficiency. Loaded with comfort and safety features such as ambient lighting, satellite navigation, 360 view camera, collision avoidance braking and more. You can drive with confidence and style. Plus, with interior amenities like cup holders, third-row seats, and luxury trim, every journey will be a pleasure. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for added peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive in luxury with the 2024 Volvo Xc90 T8 Ultimate Recharge AWD.